A lot of our partners in the U.S. ask us, how can we design our property to make it more attractive to Chinese buyers? So whether it's an office building, a condo, apartment, residential complex, how can we make it more attractive to the Chinese buyers? We recently had a client buy an office in 100 Wall Street, New York. They liked the numbers. They liked the property. You may have heard the numbers are important. Lots of 8s in the address, in the price, bring good luck. 8 in Chinese, it sounds like the word for getting rich, but a little bit different accent. So they like that. 4 in Chinese sounds like death. So they try to avoid 4s. 3s are also good. 9s are also good. But really what's most important to the Chinese investor is getting a good investment value. So if they get caught up in the numbers, bring them back to the essence of the investment, the good expected returns, the safety of the project, etc. Also important to Chinese are the sunlight. Good sunlight in the winter, good shade in the summer. Especially if you're looking at the corner office, the master bedroom, focus on that. And ideally the front faces the south. So that way in North America, the main entrance will get more sun. Wherever you can, you want to upgrade the property, including stone, marble, granite, wherever you can. The entrance, the staircases, the bathrooms, the living area, the kitchen, even in lower end properties. For residences, the Chinese are really focused on education, so they want excellent schools. A lot of times we'll point our partners to greatschools.org, which gives an empirical rating of every school, basically every public school in the nation. So you can see the quality of the school, and ideally your property should be within walking distance, if possible, of some of these good schools. The Chinese often have multi-generational living, so the grandparents may live with them. So if you can have a guest room that you can label as the in-law suite, that can be a big help. Chinese cooking typically is very aromatic. They cook with the wok. So if you could have really good ventilation in the kitchen, ideally a separated off kitchen, that would really help with their cooking. The Chinese in China oftentimes live in apartments, and so they're not used to maintaining a yard. They like the idea of yards, but they may be traveling back and forth a lot. And so if it's possible to have low maintenance yards, that's good. There's always other perks like fish, a koi pond, this or that. But really what's most important is to work with this buyer, figure out what's most important to them, what they value most, come up with a good solution, a good investment, and that will help close the deal.